Hey, hello YouTube. I'm Karan from India, and in this video, we're gonna talk about 5 tricks to fool your friends using CMD. If you have some annoying friends like me and you want to show them what you can do, so it's your best chance to watch this complete video and take your revenge. I'm going to tell you 5 tricks that I have selected and tried on my friends using CMD. So let's start with the first one. The first one is to hide the drives. So let me open the Explorer, and as you can see, here are 5 drives: 1 2 3 4 5 and C D E F G. So if you are, for example, let's take that this is my friend's computer and he is he's just gone for a glass of water, and I have 10 seconds with the computer. So for my revenge, what I'll do is I will open CMD and write disk part, press enter, and it will ask me for administrator privilege. I will click yes, and as I know that in E drive that he has all the music and photos, videos, so what I will do is I will simply right here select volume E and press enter, and then remove letter E and press enter. As you can see, it has disk part successfully removed the drive, letter or mount point. So if I will go again in the Explorer and there is no E drive, and when your friend will get this, he will be get very annoyed and he will ask you for the about the drive. So you can take your revenge and ask for money or whatever treat for reset re for getting the drive back. And sometimes I got stuck, I don't know, but I have a problem. So to get back the E drive, just simply do the same: window R CMD, then disk part, and yes, after yes you will see this external window, and after that you just need to do list volume, and here you can see that there is a drive with star having no name, so that's your E drive. Just simply take the number and right here select volume 3 and press enter, and then simply assign letter E and press enter. As you can see, the volume is assigned, and you can press window E and the E drive is again there with the same folders, nothing happened to it. So that is the first trick to annoy your friends and take your revenge or the pending treat. The second trick we're gonna talk about is to find the hidden files of the PC. For example, in the same drive your friend has some hidden content, and I'm not personally recommending to do on this on anyone else's computer. So you should be aware of this, of someone else's privacy. So before doing that, keep that thing in mind that I'm not responsible if you are doing using it for any illegal purpose. So the second trick is to see the hidden files in this folder. So let us change the drive to E drive first. As you can see, we are in the C drive, and to see all the hidden contents in the drive, I will write dir /s/b star and then /a hidden. To see all the hidden folders, I will write dh. If you want to see every file and folder, remove the d. I want to see the folders, so I will write d and h. So as you have seen that all the folders that are hidden and the files, not the files, only the folders that are hidden are on the console list. So if you want to see this folder, for example, just right click, mark, and select E, the full path, press enter, it is copied. Now press window R and control V, so you can simply go into that folder by pressing enter, and you can see all the hidden contents of your friend, and you can make him jealous or whatever. So I'm not personally recommending this, it is just for your educational purpose, and I'm not responsible for any damage you can do to your friend. So the third trick we're gonna talk about is making them blind, not by injuring their eyes, just making them blind by doing what they possibly can do on computer. For example, what we do is this explorer window, we will kill that explorer and he cannot do anything. So for example, simply write taskkill slash f and then write explorer dot exe and press enter. As it has given me error, so slash f slash im, I think I have to write slash f then slash im and press enter. Why it is giving me error? Explorer dot exe. I don't know if I'm writing the file name right, so let me check once. Explorer dot exe, the name is correct. So let me get some help first. Slash f sub im, I'm using the right command, but why it is not allowing me? So let's try again. taskkill slash f slash im explorer.exe and press enter, and as you can see he has gone blind. So now simply close the window and he will not know what to do, because by pressing any other key, Windows or anything, you cannot do anything because nothing is here. The main explorer console, the shell of the window is gone. To take back the shell, just press Ctrl Shift Escape and it will open the task manager. Go to file and run new task. Right here explorer, the same file name, and press enter, and it will put back your explorer, and now the window will run normally. So that's for the third trick. The fourth trick I want to share, that to hide everything in the drive. So in the E drive I want to hide everything. So if my friend will open it and he will not see anything here. So just simply open the E drive, press shift key and right click and open command window here. Simply write attrib attrib and press H, then plus slash s and star dot star, not 8.8, star dot star, and press enter. I think this should do the work. And it is giving me error that not resetting system files. You cannot do anything on system files. So what I need to do is I cannot, let me get help this time too. Again plus S and then plus H, then star dot star slash S slash D, and let's try this one out. For the basic things, the access is denied. but it is hiding everything in the E drive. So as there is a lot of data here, so it will take some time, but everything in the my music folder is hidden. In my work folder it is being hidden, so it is working on that. So that's the simple command to hide everything in a drive in just a single go. You have to write this thing and it will disappear everything in the drive, and as you can see everything is gone. So the time for the next command, and as you can see now the command has executed completely, and in the E drive there is little space available and everything is occupied, but there is nothing to explore. So to get the data back, just write the same command but with the simple parameters. Instead of plus you need to write minus and press enter, and it will get back everything that was in the drive. You can either hide the whole drive or just hide the data in the drive. The final trick I want to share is to mouse swap. Just swapping the mouse buttons. For example, if I'm right click here, it is giving me this is context menu, and I will left click to select the option. So simply open the CMD. You can also get this thing because this was the first one of the first post of my blog. So how to swap mouse buttons, you can get a hint from here. You just need to know only one line of code and everything will go according to you. Just simply write run dll32 user 32 and swap mouse button. So we'll try this. Run dll32 user 32 comma swap mouse buttons and press enter. And I have written buttons instead of button, so it will give me error. So I will write button error user 32. I think I have done something wrong. So instead, I think this is case sensitive, though, so write is add as it is swap mouse button and press enter, and it is executed successfully. So keep in mind that this string is case sensitive. You cannot make it all smalls or all caps. So now if I try right click, it is not showing me the context menu. But what if I'm doing left click and it is the mouse button has been swapped, and it will be very difficult for me to operate. So now I have to train my brain again to use to this new change in settings. So I hope you like it. If you want to get back the same settings, so it will be a little difficult, but simply right click, personalize, and here you will see mouse pointers. Just right click here, not left click, and you will see pointer options, and here in the buttons you will see switch primary and secondary buttons. So click here and press OK. So it will reset your buttons and you will have the same settings again. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and this video has gone a bit longer. So if you have any question or if you liked my videos, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.